Hi everyone, welcome to Parent Alienation. It's Child Abuse Unfiltered. Thank you for being here today and welcome to the new subscribers. I thank you all and appreciate you, every single one of you. Today's just a quick video to explain the noise in the background. I know I did do this once before, but I thought I'd give you a little bit of a demo and a visual of what's causing the noise. Anyway, stay tuned. At the moment I'm in my studio. It's a work in progress. It's going to be my bookshelf at the back there. Anyway, it's a bit hollow in here because it's not completed. It's a work in progress, like I said, but reasonably quiet. Everything's shut in here, so it's quite hot. We're in the middle of an Aussie summer. It's a warm day today. I'm going to stand up and open the door. Got my glasses on, going to open the door. Let's go outside. Let's see how noisy it is out here. Spin you around so you can have a look maybe. I'll do that in a second. Not much to see down here. Anyway, this is outside. I did explain once before that I live deep in the Aussie bush, and at the moment it's cicada breeding season. That's the noise that you can hear in the background. Sounds like static on my videos, but that's the noise. It comes in waves. They're not so loud, and other times they get really loud. I'm probably used to it because I hear it all the time. But I have had a lot of people mention it in some of my videos about the noise. But that's what it is. At the end of this video, there'll be a little visual to show the critter that's making that noise. They're very beautiful to look at. I'll take you upstairs and I'll give you a spin around just to show you the amount of bush I have around me. So back inside now. I've opened the doors, so it's probably a little bit noisier than it was before. But my cats are down here, so they need fresh air. Anyway, let's go upstairs and I'll show you what it's like. Nothing out here but bush, mountains and bush. That's the top of the mountain up there. Goes around the back, but it's got a house in the way. Anyway, guys, now you know. That's what the noise is, so bear with me. Hopefully it won't last much longer. We do get jets that come and decide to play too. You'll hear that too. Sometimes I'm lucky enough to catch them on the camera, so I'll spin you around so we can catch it. There he is. Must be late for lunch. Okay guys, so when you hear the noise in the background, which you can hear now, this is what it is. This is an Australian bush cicada. This one's only small. I'll just put my finger near him. Not very big, but are very noisy. Very pretty. Detail in the wings. The noise that they make is from their wings. They're quite long. They rub them together. That's the noise in the background. Not static or interference. Just a little bit of Aussie nature saying g'day. Up close and personal with Ozzy the Trucker. If anyone's interested in seeing any more of my backyard, click over to see It's That Aussie Chick. That's me too, one and the same. On that page you'll see lots of sunsets, sunrises and some spectacular views of my valley down there. Anyway, I'll put the link into the thing and feel free to join, have a look. A lot of people like that page because it's, a lot of sunsets and nature. Not so noisy yet, that night one yet. All right, take care guys, catch you in my next one. See ya.